I didn't record any of this. Planter boxes are done. I did them at work. Took me about an hour and a half at work. Get them all done. So just gotta bring dirt in, dump it in. Right now my main focus is I have a stump under all this trash. It's not really so much trash, but let me show you. As you can see, that's right here. I'm gonna bring the wheelbarrow, shovel all this dirt and crap from around it so I can get down around it and build a nice big old bonfire. That's my task right now. Done. So I got tired of asking. I'm just gonna tell it. I literally got to the root of the problem. Y'all about to be upside down, but hey. See that? Yeah, what am I looking at? Okay, see that? And then, see that? Well, I'm gonna show you what you're looking at. Here, it's X. Okay. And here is a piece of dry starter. Call it that. See the axe and dry starter? See, it's over here too. And if you can see on that side also. So this should literally burn the way it's supposed to. All right, that's it today for this full nailed it projects. So catch y'all in the videos to come. What you gotta say?
I don't know.
You the one that you were gonna say something? No.
I'm just looking at the time.
Oh, she's curious. Hey, who can blame her? Well, catch you guys in the next video. What are you laughing at? Don't do it. Don't. It's not a crawl through tunnel. She's about to crawl through the tunnel. The planter boxes at this time. Looking at me. You better leave that paint alone. I completely forgot to record filling this in. But I have where those 3 flags are sitting is where the stump is still kind of sticking up. So I'm going to use a sawzall tomorrow. Try to cut them down. Get another inch or so off of them. Then totally fill this area in. But I've been at it about 10 minutes. Got some dirt in there. I'm going to put some more. It's supposed to storm. Hopefully it does. Beat it down. Sink it in. A couple weeks driving over with the truck should satisfy. And that'll be it for the stump. So if you got a stump giving you issues and it's that big of a stump, you don't want to pay somebody to pull it out. You can just do what I did. Cut into it, drill into it. And when I drilled it, I filled the holes with fuel. And specifically, I used our charcoal lighter for fuel to put in there to burn them. Cut as much as you can with a chainsaw, a sawzall, and just keep burning it. Well, I am tired of it. I am done. It's in my way of getting to my garden, so I'm just gonna fill it. And that'll be it. That's the massive stump. It's done. Hopefully this day's over. I'm gonna come back out from it. Fingers crossed. All right. Appreciate y'all watching this video. As always, thank you so much. And on to the next one.